All right, that's good.
Let Daddy
Bring
get
it
it.
up on the shore.
I can't believe I caught a fish.
What's up, Jase?
Hi.
Where are we? What are we doing? We're at the Bass Pro Shop pond.
We'll stop on. See? I want this one. This one will go too deep. Look. Ooh, sweet fish. I want this fish.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
You gotta get me and baby June out.
Huh?
Well, I'm out, but we gotta get baby June out. Y'all, this is a big worm. What you got? Let me see. Oh, tadpoles. Let's get your bucket.
Well, that's a real one. That's a real one.
Yeah. Here you go, baby.
Where you found one?
Take your bucket.
Where?
Look at that worm. Ooh. All right, Mama gonna throw it out there and catch a big fish. Ooh, watch out. It's got a hook on it.
Is that live?
Yeah.
No fun.
Yes, it is. Look at it moving. Ooh, look at that. Deer poop. Jase, there's tadpoles!
Yes! I know!
Jase, here. Put it down. Bring the fish in.
Yeah, that's a small, that's a fish. Oh, I saw it! There's a catfish.
Yeah.
Get to that! Get to that!
You don't have a net.
Oh, don't touch it, Jase.
Got it!
Huh?
Look at that fish!
Good job, buddy.
I got him, see? I can't believe I think I got.
That's a good one.
Hey, touch it. I don't like that.
Oh.
Hey, see these fins right here?
Yep.
These fins are pokey. I'm gonna let them go. Okay? You touch them?
Holy stuff. We caught a fish. We caught a bass.
No,
No.
that's a catfish.
Catfish.
Stand next to it, buddy. Get your photo.
Oh yeah, here.
Ooh.
Don't hold the pliers. You have to hold them really, really tight.
Right here, say cheese.
Awesome.
Good job.
Pop it.
Bye, catfish.
Hold it up. Hold it
Oh,
up.
he's still on there.
Hey, I got a apple. That's some
Hey,
apples.
bud. You want to hold them? Here.
Yeah.
Grab that towel.
What's that?
Grab that
Grab
towel.
the towel.
Grab it right here.
Don't let him flick up at him.
Yeah.
at Mama.
Put them back. Look at Mama. You want to look at Mama? That's not really a good picture, Mama.
No.
All right, go ahead and put them back. I'll hold the towel. Let them go.
Oh.
You gotta put them around.
Hold on.
Look, huh? Literally.
You gotta get a worm. They're up there. Gotcha.
But they have now.
Show Mama.
Hey, put that tip down. Put the tip down.
What's over there?
Yep. Put the tip of the pole down.
Put it down, reel. And then pull it up. Pull it up, put it down, reel. Ooh, he's a feisty one.
That's a big one. He's a fighter. He's a big fighter.
Hold on.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way, Mommy.
Yes, you're clear.
The butt. There you go. Good job. Now leave it there.
Watch your bobber. Oh, you're under. Reel. Oh. Oh boy, that one feels.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, dude. Might be the same one too.
Oh, he's fighting.
There you go. There you go. All right, reel.
Look at his.
GoPro only has like 10 minutes on it.
That's a big one. Can you get in my way, please?
Yes, you're good. Reel. Keep going.
Should probably be GoPro on this though with him.
Ooh,
Do it. Let's turn it on.
fish.
Oh, you don't have it on you anymore.
that's a fish.
It is a
It
fish.
is a fish. That's a good catfish, bud. Ooh.
Oh yeah, look at that fight. And you still got your worm.
Huh?
The worm's still on there.
All right, that's good.
Let Daddy
Hey, bring
get
it
it.
up on the shore.
Ooh.
Bring it up on the shore.
Look at that.
Bring it up on the shore.
I caught one. That was
Yeah.
Good job.
job.
one. I can't believe I caught a fish. That was a good one.
Heck yeah.
I want to catch another
Give me
one.
some nuts.
I caught it. I don't know who made this.
What is that? Tracks going to the bushes. Uh-oh.
What?
I don't know. Where'd it go? All right, let's go.
Take a look at it.
What are those?
I think the deer tracks.
What?
They go all the way to the place.
What? Man, I don't know where it went. All right, let's go see Mama.
I think it's a deer.
Think it's a deer?
Look at the yellow.
What are those? What prints are those? Those are turkey tracks.
When the talking's wrong.
Come on, man. Where are we at?
I got to the baba.
Where are we at? Bass Pro Shops.
That's so soft.
Yeah. Let's go see what we can't find. Go.
Hey, buddy.
What's in here?
We're looking at the tracks going in the
We saw some facts.
Isn't this cool?
Yeah, there was out there outside.
Where are we?
Someone killed a man instead. Well, what did the sign say?
You have to get down and look. Just get on there and step down here.
Thank you to our local Bass Pro Shop in Gainesville, Florida for hosting this fun family fishing day. They provided fishing poles that were ready to go, buckets of live worms for bait, ice cold water to drink, good music, and fun goodie boxes for the kids to take home. Check with your local Bass Pro Shop to see if this is offered near you. We hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Chasing Jase just as much as we enjoyed creating it. If you'd like to see more, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram at Chasing Jase Official. Thank you and God bless.